My name is Jen Seo. I'm from Malaysia. My profession is I'm a photographer. And when I found out that I got RP, it really hit me and I cannot work in the future. And every doctor in the world tells me that there's no cure. But by chance I found Dr. Yu on the internet, and straight away I came over. I came here last November. At that time, my vision was so little that I could only see 2 alphabets on the keyboard at normal sitting distance with the laptop in front of me. 2 alphabets. And it was really a struggle every day.
Yeah, less than 5 degrees of your visual field. Yeah.
Yes. So I had my 10-day treatment. At the end of it, there was not much of a change, except that I see the letters sharper, crisper. But Dr. Yu has told me that because of my age, I'm 58 years old, and the advanced stage of my RP, I had RP for 15 to 16 years, it would take some time, and that this first treatment is to ensure that we stop the degeneration, that I do not get any worse. So I went home, and for the next 3 months I did the eye exercise, took the herbs, and yes indeed there was no deterioration. It maintained the same, and I came back again in April this year. So in April this year, after the 10-day treatment, my visual field increased and I could see 4 alphabets on the keyboard, same distance. Well, it may seem very small, but I'm overjoyed and doctor was overjoyed too, because in the first place it means that my eyes are responding to the treatment. And secondly, from 2 alphabets to 4 alphabets is actually like 100% improvement.
Doubled, yeah.
Double the vision.
Yeah.
Of course, in real life, in my practical real life, there's very little change. Then I went back, and 3 months later, I came back again in August this year, and this time, after the 10 days treatment, wow, I see the whole keyboard. So this is indeed a big change, right? At near distance, the whole keyboard, but in my everyday life, when I look away, there's a lot of difference, and I was so very, very pleased. So I came back here again, and now I'm here again in December 2012.
This is 1 year after your first initial treatment.
That's exactly a year after my first treatment. I was here late November last year. And this time, the visual field just improved so much. Doctors say I went from like 5 degrees to 45 degrees. So for me, it's been such a long time that I can see so much in one go. And this is really took me some time to absorb that. I've been walking around with a cane for 2.5 years. So now, doctor took the cane away from me and made me walk without the cane. It was really very difficult adjusting to that, because the cane became like part of my body. I depend on it so much. So now I could walk without the cane in broad daylight. And I'm so happy, so happy. I'm still walking like a funny person, but I'm adjusting. So I'm looking forward to come back again to achieve my 180 degree vision, so that I can drive again. I have not driven for almost 10 years, and it's like losing a pair of legs when you can't drive. I'm making this testimonial is more to encourage a lot of other patients and friends that I met here. Many of them, after once or twice, they do not come back anymore. I'd like to encourage all of them to come back again, to persevere, because it's not always that you see exponential improvement, because all of us have different body types, and it responds differently to the treatment. And the other thing I could attest to is that Dr. Yu has always been innovating, trying new treatment, new ways, and this time that I'm here, he also tried new ways of treating my RP. So I sincerely hope all those friends who I've met here, yeah, the ladies, the guys, please do reconsider, come back to do another round of treatment.
Yeah, you are really an example of persistence. Yeah, if you didn't come here in like every 3 or 4 months in the past year, I don't think we can achieve that, right?
Yes, that's right.
If you, like after first program, if you're disappointed because you don't see much progress, you stopped, then you will never see this kind of change.
That's true.
So like beginning, you're only less than 5 degrees. Now you're 45 degrees.
45 degrees, yes.
Yeah. And I didn't even think that is possible, last year myself. This is really something new in my treatment as well. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So this year we have been seeing some very good breakthroughs in the advanced stage of RP patients like you. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much.